song No One in the House uses quaver or 8 rests which last for half of the beat. Here is the idea how you can make your rhythm very nice. Tika tika ti ti, tika tika ta, tika tika ta, tika tika ti sit, tika tika ti ti, tika tika ta, tika tika ti sit, tika tika ta. Now I'm gonna play this in slow motion so that you can see what fingering is the best to make it very easy to learn this song. So I start with pointing finger, which has number 1 in the book, and I place it on the blue key. Then finger 3 on yellow and finger 4 on red, and then back to yellow, red and yellow. And the next bar is again the same, but you need to place your finger 2 because the melody goes down. So you need finger 2 and 1 ready to play 2 notes, the pink and red. And then second line, we're going back with finger 1 to blue key. And here is my recommendation to play the next note, green one, with finger 2, because it's very convenient and it will save you time on practicing. This song is a perfect example to use a cross-curricular link to another subject. I would use America's Geography because this song comes from America. It's a perfect moment to teach your students about this subject. Or if you wish, you could also mention about different types of instrument and especially about the banjo, because this song is about playing on the banjo. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I would like to invite you to watch another video which is coming soon.